In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a project to another team in Asana 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to relocate a project without losing context, and what changes to expect after the move. This is helpful when teams reorganize, when ownership changes, or when you're consolidating work under a new department. Start by opening the project you want to move. Head to your Asana sidebar and click into that project. Before you go further, make sure you have the right permissions. You'll need to be an editor or an admin on the project to change its team. If you can't find certain options later, that's usually a permissions issue, and you may need someone with higher access to make the change or adjust your role. With the project open, look to the top right corner of the project header and click the three dots labeled More Options. That opens a drop-down menu with a set of project actions. From that menu, choose Edit Project Details. This will open the project settings panel for the current project, where you can adjust things like name, description, icon, and importantly, which team the project belongs to. Inside the project details window, find the field labeled team. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and select the new team you want to move the project into. When you pick a new team, Asana updates several things automatically. The project's home moves to that team's space, the team becomes the new owner, and the project adopts that team's visibility settings. Member access may also change depending on the new team's privacy settings. For example, if the destination team is private, people who aren't part of that team may no longer be able to see the project. If key collaborators still need access, plan to invite them to the new team or confirm they remain project members after the move. To finalize the transfer, click Save or Done in the Project Details panel. Once saved, the project will disappear from the old team's project list and appear under the new team's list. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser or use the search bar to locate the project quickly. All tasks, comments, attachments, and timelines move with the project, so your work remains intact. Some members may receive notifications about the change depending on their settings. That's it. You've successfully moved your project to another team in Asana. If you're coordinating across departments, it's a good idea to let stakeholders know the project's new home so they can update any bookmarks or shared links.